Hello, Hornets. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how do we use the formula for the arc cosine derivation, or the derivative of the arc cosine. Now, let's take an example. We're going to work with the 3 arc cosine, and we're going to have x over 2. Now, that means that our u value is x over 2, and we can see that u prime is 1 over x. We know already that the d dx of an arc cosine of u has to be the negative u prime over the square root of 1 minus u squared. So if I have the u over 2, I'm going to use the direct substitution method first. And this is going to give me the negative 3 for the coefficient that's out in front, times the derivative, and that should have been 1/2, divided by the square root of 1 minus x over 2, the quantity squared. Now our problem here is that this is not simplified far enough. We're going to have to clean this up so that we do not have a complex fraction. And we do right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the top and the bottom by a 2. Now that means that the bottom here is going to be the square root of 2 squared so that I can distribute it all the way through. The 2 will reduce with this, leaving me with a 3. And then I distribute inside of the radical, which is leaving me with 4 minus x squared. This is what we're trying to get. Now, as I've told you in the past, in the previous example, I recommend that you use the formula. The formula is going to be a lot easier to work with, and if you choose not to, you're going to have to set the 3 cosine, arc cosine of x over 2 equal to y, and you're going to have to work through it and differentiate the way we would normally do it. I hope that you use the formula. Alrighty, having said that, if you decide to use go through the entire differentiation process, please remember it follows the same as you saw in the previous video for the arc cosine of u. Just remember you're going to have a u prime, and any coefficients that are out in front stay in the numerator. Alrighty, thank you very much, Hornets. Please be well and be safe, and we will